Oh, well, hello! You might remember me from such videos as the video I wasn't in, sandpaper grip tape, lowrider skateboard, skateboarding on an oar, or snowboarding at the skate park. I brought you in here into my home today to tell you a little bit about Aaron's crazy ideas. So we started Braille Skateboarding a very long time ago to help local video makers distribute their videos. And then we moved in tutorial tricks, and it became this whole thing where we are going to teach the entire world to skate. Then we kind of combined both of these things and started making skateboard videos, also then teaching kids how to skateboard, and became this whole big conglomeration of skateboarding stuff. So the other day I was in an airplane and I was flying over and I kept seeing all these towns, and it was like, oh, there's a high school, there's a basketball court, there's a baseball field. And then I was noticing to myself, why doesn't every school have a skateboard park? Why? Just so you guys get the idea, the whole purpose of Braille is to teach new people how to skateboard. You might be asking yourself, what does skateboarding on a shovel have to do with teaching new people how to skateboard? Or what does this have to do with it? Or what does this have to do with it? Good question. I'm glad you asked. Our idea, or maybe it's only my idea, and then I somehow got all of these other people involved, was to make a video like this that maybe somebody, just maybe somebody who is not going to click on a regular skateboarding video would click on. And they would say, I love magic Etch-a-Sketch. I love to draw. I love to Etch-a-Sketch. It is a good thing for my life, of which I love to do the Etch-a-Sketch. And then they realize, look at how much fun these guys are having. Wow, I want to have as much fun as they're having, and I want to ride a lowrider board like they do. Whether you're riding a lowrider board or a laser cut skateboard or a gold skateboard or a crochet grip tape or just a regular board with Ryden's signature on it, it's important to me that you guys learn how to skateboard. You see how that concept is? We get new people onto the channel and then we somehow interest them in skateboarding by showing them, wow, this is a whole lot of fun. Then we want you guys to then pick up the tutorials and then learn to skateboard yourself and learn to skateboard so well that then you're walking down the street and you think to yourself, wow, my life is so much fun. Right, Fetty? Has your life become more fun by skateboarding? Yes. You might think to yourself, you guys are just a YouTube channel. You guys just make tutorial videos and videos where you skate on weird things, and you're not gonna like change the whole skateboard industry. You're not gonna get a skateboard park put in every school. And maybe we're not, but I'll tell you one thing, we're definitely gonna try. And we're gonna try and try and try, and we're gonna first try. As part of this video, I wanted to introduce y'all to the brand new concept. It is called the First Try Foundation. Let me do that again. First Try Foundation. The foundation part is very serious. The first try is very unserious. First Try Foundation. You might ask yourself, what does it mean? The First Try Foundation, I am very, 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 very excited about this because we are going to give the opportunity to people who have never had the chance to learn how to skateboard because they can't afford it, because they just have never been into the position where they could get skateboards. And we need your help to do this. Here's how the First Try Foundation works. You guys skate a board. Some organizations call this gently used. I didn't know if I want to say like only send your gently used skateboards, but your skateboards that you guys are done with, you got a new board, you switched it out, and you send it in to us. We take your skateboard, your trucks, your wheels, your bearings. Maybe you have like a graveyard of old stuff that's just kind of cluttering up your house, and your mom is like, you need to get rid of that. It's getting grease all over the carpet. And you're like, okay, Mom, I'm gonna send it to the First Try Foundation to help new kids learn how to skateboard. So here's the concept, Aaron's crazy idea concept. We get all of this stuff and we put it all together and we make skateboards. And then we work with local, or maybe not so local, or maybe some organizations all over the world. I see these guys. I see them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter too. And I see them doing rad stuff, and I think to myself, we should help. We should help these guys learn new tricks, get skateboards. So my initial concept in this First Try Foundation will have many pieces that will stretch out long into the future, and it will help many people learn to skateboard all over the world, I am sure. But my initial concept is we're gonna get these boards, we're gonna put them together, we're gonna go to these nonprofits or these neighborhoods or these places, and we're gonna put on these events, and we're gonna give them boards. We're gonna say, you couldn't afford a skateboard? Here you go. We're going to give you this skateboard, and you're gonna learn how to ride it, and then we'll put on an event to teach them how to ride it. And I am like so excited about this. I think it will grow, and I think people can get behind it. The only way this is going to work is with your guys' help and support. We're going to need you to take your old skateboards, your old trucks, your old wheels, your old bearings, your old hardware, and we're gonna need you to send it in. So go to this link on the website. Full details will be there. The address where you send your stuff will be there, and you can send us your boxes and label it very clearly on the outside, First Try Foundation. And then we will get those, we will assemble that, and it's gonna be an incredible amount of work to put that all together and then link up with these groups and go give them to the kids and then teach them how to skateboard. But that at the end of the day is like, to me, it's like, wow. I feel like we've done something great. I feel like we are changing people's lives, because if I had never started skateboarding, I mean, it seems funny. It's just a piece of wood with wheels, but it is incredible. It's an incredible, amazing, life-changing experience when you land that trick. You've been working on it for weeks and months and years and centuries and decades, and you finally land it. This year marks my 25th year of skateboarding. 25 consecutive years of skateboarding, which is a long time. So it's time for us to give back to the skateboard community and do some events. We're really excited about this. We will make a whole series out of these videos of us going to these places and giving these skateboards. And it's probably one of the most exciting things that I am excited about, because I just think it's really cool, and I think it's heartwarming to give skateboards away and have kids learn how to ride them. I think it will make some people's lives better and be really awesome. So I am very interested for you guys to leave your comment below and tell me what you think. Let me know, do you think these ideas I have are crazy? Because sometimes I tell people these and they're like, Aaron, just skateboard, just film a video part. And trust me, I'm going to film a video part. We're filming a video part currently. Fetty Potter video part 2018 coming out probably in 2020. But yes, we want to know what you guys think. If you can get behind the First Try Foundation, if you like it, if you think it's a great idea, if you'd like to watch the videos, let us know. We're going to do it because we think it's a good idea, but we do want to know from you guys, because Braille is everything because of you back there on the couch right behind you, even you. We love you. Is that a heart? It's a pancreas. More or less. Is that a heart? How do you do the heart? There you go. So yeah, just to recap really fast, people that have never heard of us start to hear of us because of things like LED skateboard, basketball skateboard, piano skateboard, gummy bear skateboard, things like that. And then they get excited in skateboarding, and then they learn how to skateboard using things like Skateboarding Made Simple. And if they need more help, they send in a skate support. If they want a personal lesson, they come to us and get a lesson. If they need more help but they're not close, they join the Braille University. You see how we're trying to handle and hit every part of skateboarding, everything that a person could run into or give up on. We gave them a whole series, a whole list of tricks in order to learn, and they can do those tricks, and they can get points, and they can see what their rank is in the Braille Army, and they can send us their videos, and we're gonna post those videos. We're trying to handle and hit every single part of skateboarding to make skateboarding the world's largest, best, expanding, supportive community. So we want you guys to support each other. We're gonna support you. A big part of supporting you guys and every single person out there is giving boards to kids who cannot afford to get skateboards. So let's do it. I thank each and every one of you. Like I said, I cannot thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me. and I am so excited about this program. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. We're gonna be doing this and having a lot more videos that we hope you guys really like. Leave a comment below, share the video, show it to your friends, say this is happening, skate park at every city. After we do the whole board part, then we're gonna move into skate parks. Super exciting. Thank you very much.